Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys. Basically what I'm gonna do, I will be sharing with you just an outlook on my NCW wallet. So this is a crypto tab browser wallet, as I mentioned to you guys in other videos. So yes guys, so before I get into the video, I want to say thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing. If you're new to my channel, basically what I do here guys, I basically use free money making apps and also websites to earn online on my spare time. So yes guys, and then I basically go ahead and use those earnings to build portfolios and actually to trade and stuff like that. So yes guys, so I basically use free money making apps to earn, then use those earnings to earn for long term. So yeah, so today we're looking at NC wallet, right? So yeah, so if you guys are familiar with that, so yes guys, so as you guys can see right here, I have a little bit of Bitcoin. I have about you could say 6 cents in US, right? And I do have a little bit of Ethereum too. I have 9 cents in Ethereum. So yeah, uh I have a little bit of so on the platform you can earn CTC. CTC is basically the token that they pay you when you stake. So once you have earnings on the platform and you stake your earnings, you'll be earning CTC. So right now I have 29 cents in US dollar value. So yes guys, I have a little bit of Solana. I have 4 cents in Solana. So guys, want to mention to you again that these earnings, I basically earn these through the crypto tab browser farming apps. There were a lot of them. I'm gonna share with you guys something before I end the video, just to get into consideration. Share you guys how I've been earning and stuff like that. So the the ROX, which is the Roblox token money making apps, they are actually linked to the NC wallet also. So yes, guys. So that is how I'm able to earn $5.75 in Roblox token. So just to keep that into consideration. And Roblox token is actually a cryptocurrency that you can trade too. So yes, guys. The next thing I want to share with you that I have is I have some Ash coin. So Ash coin is basically a coin that they give you just for earning on the crypto tab browser lite. So yes guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you to guys how much earnings I have, and that I have 51 cents in US. So overall my portfolio is sitting at $6, rather $6 US and 77 cents. So that is all my portfolio. So when I started with this portfolio, I think it was about I think it was a little bit over a year ago, I would say. No, it's not a little bit over a year. I think a year or a little bit over a year ago, the crypto market was basically on a downtrend. And from that, the crypto market, you can see my account change from $6.82. So this is basically all the market fluctuates from time to time. So yes, guys. So what I wanted to say to you guys is basically that when I started earning with this, starting creating this portfolio and the NC wallet, the market were basically going down. And remember, guys, I'm not putting my own money inside here that I work. I'm basically putting free money from free money making apps. So that is the reason why the portfolio will take a while to grow. So yes, guys. So sometimes when you're looking at the portfolio, you have to look at the asset, how much asset you have, because from time to time, asset on the platform can lose their value. And once they lose their value, they're worth less in dollar value. but the asset still remains. So if the price goes up, then the value will rise because the asset still remains. And I keep adding assets. So just to keep that into consideration. So yeah. So now what I wanted to show you guys is basically how I've been earning. How do I get these earnings on this platform? So as I mentioned to you guys, they have a platform that I can use to earn. It's called Crypto Tab Browser Lite. So before this account, in this account, they were paying out. So they were basically uh you could start the app and it will basically mine cryptocurrency and then you're able to cash out cryptocurrency. You can see how I've been cashing out. So yeah. The next way how you could earn is by doing the Bitcoin. This one is for the Ashcoin. For the Bitcoin one, let me show you how it works. This is it. And I was able to cash out Bitcoin. So if I go to the Bitcoin section, so you can see how I've been cashing out Bitcoin. You can see most of these are processing. I haven't get any paid out for a long time. And you can see some of them have been completed, right? Some of these sent them to different wallets. So when I realized that the app wasn't paying out Bitcoin anymore, I started to take out the Ashcoin, and that Ashcoin has led me to basically here, right? So yeah, so that's basically, guys, how I was able to earn. Now, and another device that I have, even on my channel, I share with you guys basically the money making app called Roblox. You have three of them. You have four of them, but I only use three of them because I cannot use a VPN when I'm earning online on my device because the money making app that I use, they don't offer VPN, so I have to use it straight. So yes, guys. So I have the Roblox Fit, the Roadblocks, and the Roadblocks yeah, another one. So three of them, and I basically just use them to earn when it comes to cashing out the Roblox token, which is the ROX. So yes, guys, and that's how I was able to basically just earn some earnings on my NC wallet. So guys, just want to say thank you guys for being here. If you're interested in using any one of these money making apps, I will leave the link in the description down below for you. If you have any question, you can comment down below in the description in the comment section and I'll answer them for you. So guys, before I go, I want to say always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.